Hi everybody. Thank you for watching DreamSpree Studio Yoga. My name's Shannon. This is Chappy. Today we're going to go through a quick 10-minute flow. This video is really for anyone who sits in a chair a lot or is at a desk a lot. Loosen up the neck, loosen up those tight shoulders. It's shot on location at Monroe Massage and Yoga. If you like yoga videos, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every week, and you can check out my website at DreamSpreeStudio.com. So let's go ahead, get in your comfortable seat, and let's get started. Settle into your chair. Make sure that your feet are flat on the floor or the ground, and close your eyes. Begin to bring the attention to your breath. If you'd like to set an intention for your practice today, something positive you can bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander, now's a good time. On your next inhale, go ahead, open your eyes, and scoot forward just a little bit in your chair. Bring the arms out to the sides in a T, inhale them up overhead, and grab the right wrist with the left hand, and exhale over towards the left side, breathing space into that entire right side of the body, getting some good traction in the arm. Inhale back to center. Now, grab the right wrist with the left hand and bend over towards the left side. Getting a good stretch in the side of the body. Inhale back to center and release the arms down to a T. Bring the right arm across the chest and hook the other arm on top of it. Inhale and exhale, turn over towards the left. This is a pretty intense shoulder stretch, so if you can't go very far, that's fine. Just breathe some space into that shoulder blade. On an inhale, come back to center, release everything, shake it out. And now cross the left arm over, hook the right arm on top of it. Inhale and exhale, twist over towards the right side. Continue to breathe. On your next inhale, come back to center, shake the arms out. Reach the arms behind you, scoot forward in your chair, inhale tall, and exhale, lean forward, using your weight to cause some traction across the chest, opening the chest. Whenever our shoulders are tight, usually our pecs are tight too, so we need to stretch those out. On an inhale, come back up, release the hands, clasp them in front of you like this. Inhale up, exhale, curl forward. On your next inhale, release the hands, clasp them behind you. Exhale backwards. Gentle forwards and backwards bend. Inhales and exhales. Inhale back up. Exhale, opening up the chest. Just follow the own rhythm of your breath. And let's meet back in center, shake out the arms. You can scoot back in your chair a little if you've moved forward. Inhale the arms out to the sides in a T, and exhale, twist over towards the left, putting the right hand on the knee or the side of the chair and putting the left arm behind you, gazing over the left shoulder. Nice, easy twist. Inhale back to center in a T, and exhale over towards the right side, gazing over the right shoulder behind you, hand on the back of the chair, left hand on the knee or the side of the chair. Inhale back to center and float the arms down to the side. Right hand forward like you're trying to give someone something, and use the left hand to bend the fingers down towards the ground or the floor. Don't force this, just let them go as far as they will comfortably. Nice stretch in the hands. Release the hand, roll it around, and then bend it the other way. Palm down. Release the hand, roll it around again, and now repeat the same thing with the left hand. Put it forward, bend the fingers back with the right hand. Nice stretch to the fingers. We're always using them so much, texting, typing, getting rid of some of that tension. Now roll the wrist out and bend the hand the other way with the palm face down. Release the hand, roll it out, roll out the other wrist too, and bring it down to the sides of your chair. Now inhale both arms up, slip the right arm behind you like you got a secret, reach up with the left hand, place it on the head, and tilt it over towards the left side. Just getting a gentle stretch in the right side of the neck. Don't pull on your neck, you're just using your hand to get a little extra traction. Release the head, and now slip the left hand behind your back, right hand on top of your head, and lean it over towards the right side. Getting a little gentle traction in that side of the neck. Inhale back to center. Reach the arms out to the sides, reach up high overhead, clasp the hands together, place it behind your head, and exhale forward in a gentle curl, just giving a little traction to the back of the neck. On your next inhale, rise back up, bring the hands down to the sides. Pick up your right knee and give it a squeeze. Just bring it up towards your chest. Sit up tall. Now take the leg and prop it over and twist over towards the right side, looking over the back of the chair. Getting a little more of a stretch in that hip. Come back to center. Inhale, pull the arms up overhead, come through the center in prayer, and exhale, forward fold. Just bend forward over your knees. You can bring your hands down the fronts of the legs of the chair. Just breathe here. Rise back up. Uncross your legs. Now hug in the left knee. Be sure and sit up tall. And just continue to breathe. Now cross the left knee over and reach behind you, looking over the left shoulder. Nice little stretch for the hips. If your mind has wandered, maybe bring it back to the intention that you set for your practice. On an inhale, come back forward. Exhale, inhale up with the arms overhead, come through center. Exhale, forward fold, bringing the forehead down towards the knees. Arms to the sides of the chair. Continuing to breathe. Inhale back up to center. Uncross your legs. Now inhale up tall overhead, gathering energy, bringing it down to the heart center. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale back up one more time, bringing the hands to heart center in prayer. And bring the hands down to your knees. Sit back in your chair so that you're comfortable. And release into Shavasana. Just let it all go. Begin to feel yourself relax from the top of your head, across your face. Relax the throat, the chest, the stomach, the hips, legs, knees, all the way down to the ankles and feet. Feel all the tension in your body just disappear down into the earth through your feet. On your next inhale, maybe start rolling the head from side to side. Make some gentle movements with the fingers and toes as you're deepening your breathing. Stretch out long overhead and bring the hands to heart center in prayer. Thank yourself for coming today and doing something that's good for you. You can open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I'll see you guys next time.